your tool review of the week. Sponsored by Electricians Only Tool Review and Nipex Tradesman.
Alright, so this week I have a special tool that ran across, and it just keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger every week. But this is the 7200 watt 2.5 kW power supply by Milwaukee. And so these things are getting to be awesome where you're not having all these like generator power and all this stuff. Like you're just getting into this equipment here where it's getting to be a lot more energy efficient, a lot more green friendly and stuff like that. But I saw this out one of the job sites and I was like, man, I gotta feature this. It's a new product. It just came out. It's probably only been out like maybe a few days, so I really want to like get my hands on a little bit more with some people that have these and see how they actually work, and kind of tell you guys a little bit more of the features. But I'll tell you right now, the one thing Milwaukee has down is they're really getting this power to where they're packing a punch. That was my one big complaint about Milwaukee, is that they just didn't have the power. But this thing is really packing the punch at 7200 watts. So look forward to maybe a follow-up tool review on this in the future, and we'll kind of like get you some more information as far as like what kind of capacity, like there's not been really that many reviews on how people like it, how it lasts, all that kind of stuff. But you're going to be seeing more of this kind of stuff coming out where you could just roll on a whole workstation, and they show it. I try to do some different pictures where they show you setting up pretty much like a whole camp on this thing and having all your stuff plugged into it and working out of it. So we're running into this a lot more. We have this same situation at our job site right now where it's just going to be really hard getting power to a lot of different areas of the job until the utility brings power in. So these kind of things that come in handy, and we're going to be powering up our lights. I don't know if you know this, James, but my first word as a kid was light. So, I've been turning on lights ever since, and I tell everyone that I'm a professional electricity waster. I go turn lights on and I leave them on for infinity. So,
my first word was food.
Really?
Yeah. Well,
all right.
My first word was yum.
Okay.
Give me some good food. I'm happy.